Hello, welcome to my channel. My name's Lourdes, and I have a lot to do, think, say, and handle. I also tend to walk off screen. It's because I'm constantly forgetting things that I want to talk about. Like this. Doesn't do anything. Turn it on. That's okay. Here we are. This, built myself. It's a green lantern. Duh. And it's a little dusty. Because I have it hanging up over there by the bed. So it's a good reading light. But also, I had to print that. That's right. And then I had to drill into that so I can install the magnet for the reed switch. Why did I build this? That's a very good question. The reason I built this is because I'm into green lanterns. But I also built it because I thought I could do it better than DC Collectibles. And in some ways I succeeded, and in some ways I failed. But what I don't make up for in quality exterior, I make up for in good exterior. These lamp taps. This nice plastic ball you can find in your garden center, and these are plumbing fittings, but this is where it shines. This is Sugru holding the bottom actually from falling in, not out. And there's the power switch. Boop. Boop. There's the charging port, because unlike the DC Collectibles, this one's run off of lithium ion battery. And this, because we're using a full-size arduino uno, is where you program the mechanism. So, yeah. But I built this because when you go and get the DC Collectible, there's a reed switch that goes right down the center, so you can put your hand up to it, and then it starts charging. Unfortunately, I got annoyed by this because, and most importantly, you can see it. So, I built my own, and you can't see the reed switch that's in there because it's in the ring right down here. If you look real close, you can see it now, but probably wouldn't have noticed it here. Whereas the other one, right down the center, horrible. So this is what I do. I 3D print things. This isn't my design, but I did have to scale it, and I did have to make some changes and do some drilling to put in magnets for to activate the reed switch. Off screen again. But it's a little sample of the things that I plan on doing on this channel. I plan on building props. I plan on building things that I think are cool, things that I need. You know, talking about issues of the day, and also just making things and making and selling art and, you know, t-shirts, whatever that comes with the whole branding process. Some of you may know me from way back in the day on Second Life. You may have been wondering whatever happened to Lourdes Laysan. Well, now you know. And some of you have no idea. And so now you have a little tidbit of information. There you go. The inspiration for the channel, Simone Yetch, Vinny Lagazio, sorry if I'm mispronouncing that, Vinny, from Ami, and Hacksmith, amongst others. I have a lot of creative things that I want to do, and I'm hoping to bring you along with me. I'm hoping you'll help support the channel so that we can do more. And this is what's issue 1. Comics. This is episode 1, and I'm trying to keep it down to something under 7 minutes. We'll see. But Naomi Wu, also big inspiration. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to be doing toys, different designs, talking about things, looking into different technologies. and playing with them and maybe making things break, maybe making things work, and otherwise running into the pitfalls of it. I do not have a professional rig yet, so you are probably receiving this on a LG V20 with a ring light setup that I got from Brightech. It means I've got to be close. It means I have to lift things up to you or cut things with other, like a tripod or things like that. So the production quality will increase in time with support if it increases in time. In the meantime, I'm going to let it go there, and the next video we should see something interesting. I have also 2 kids, and I build a lot of things for them. So yeah, that's where we do 3D printing, whatever, but most importantly, it's going to be off the cuff. I'm going to try not to script things and just kind of have a general idea of where I'm going, showing you where I'm at so you can see the enthusiasm I have, so maybe you can get inspired to do things that you want to do. As well as, we're also going to talk about various topics and various matters of the day and things that are important to me, and hopefully things that are important to you. Some of you may realize that I am a trans woman, and that may be a problem for you. If that's the case, goodbye. I'm not going to get into any arguments about my transness. This is probably the last time I'm going to bring it up unless there's a discussion point about it. But I want you to get the impression that we're not probably what you think, and probably more than you imagined. So that's it for this one. We'll see more as time goes on. We'll go from there. I'm interested to see what we'll look like in 20 episodes or 50 or 100, depending on what we can do. I hope to go long term. So look down in the comment area to make comments. I'm not going to take any of them seriously that are rude, so whatever. I advise you not to do it. And there should be links below for ways you can support this channel going forward. And so next time we're going to dive into something. I don't know what, probably the lantern in more detail. I just don't want to crack it open today because we're already at 7 minutes. So thank you, and we'll see you next time.